Hello everyone, I'm Praveen here. From this video onwards, we are going to have a look on the Houdini's muscles of FEM simulation through tissue system. We are going to use the same dog geometry skin, and we are going to focus only on the arm part. Inside the arm, we are going to inside the skin anatomical geometry bones of clavicle and the upper arm, along with those associated muscles of infraspinatus, triceps, deltoids, all those things. So we are going to focus only on these bones and those associated muscles, and these things have been wrapped with this geometry, not with the entire dog geometry itself, where these anatomical bones and the deformed muscles all collides with the skin through the tissue system. So we are going to look only this arm part. So this is the clavicle and the upper arm of anatomical bones. Let's have a look on the geometry network. Here I've just imported through alembics of skeleton muscles and the outer geometry skin. All has been unpacked and converted to polygons. Then all has been separated. And everything has been called over here through object merge. Yeah, only these two anatomical geometry bones have been captured with the help of these two bones of chain bone 1 and 2. And these two bones have been animated just like a kind of run cycle with a small anticipation and for around 180 frames and settles. Let me hide these bones. And these geometries have been separated and called through the object merge, and these things has been renamed as muscle 001. These muscles of deltoid and the triceps has been renamed. So we are going to use these anatomical bones, and this is the skin. Now these anatomical bones drives the muscles. So this anatomical geometry bone has been captured with the help of the Houdini bones and have been animated. So let's start building the Houdini muscles from this muscle geometry 1 in the next video. Thank you.